list of projects that the student created with active link to them. Each project includes a brief description and the language used. So I'll come here on this one. I'll check the project, and this is it. So there's a little description over here, and then there's the styles, the languages that were used, which is HTML, HTML, HTML. So I'll click this to see if it's an active link. So I'll click it and I'll see this is an active link. I'll look to see if it is his project. So I'll see this is Josphat's project. So I'll go back here and I will input 2 marks. At the end of the day, you can see even what I told him. You can do better on the CSS part. Even you see the friend came and said the same thing. So I'll say save. Then I'll go back to the comments and I'll say kindly make sure you use style your CSS next time rather than index.css. And that's it. So when for me, I'm not marking at it blindly. I'm not marking because I know you. I'm not marking to please anyone. I'm marking according to the rubric. Did you achieve the rubrics and whatnot? So that is what I'm looking at. And you can see even from my own comments, I knew his CSS was underperforming. Okay. So right now, if I looked at his project at the moment, why would I deny him marks for? Because actually, for him, I knew there was this project, and I knew if they had created it using CSS, then he was underperforming, and that was not okay. Have I made myself clear? Hello,
Hello.
you guys can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Is that
We
clear?
can hear
And
you.
how the marking is made?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah. So that's how I go marking. So whenever you see you have gotten zero point 0.5, it's because maybe your readme was there, but it wasn't as detailed. And I cannot be complacent whereby I'm giving you marks when I know you can do way better. Okay? So just for you are very lucky your peer spoke for you. Next time, speak for her. All right. I think that's it. Today we are not going to have a long evening check-in because I have to. I have to. I will have another meeting in the next 30 minutes. So I just want to know the blockers that you guys experienced today. What were the blockers? Okay, Drusilla, go ahead.
Hi, Beatrice.
Hi, Drusilla.
So I just have a question. It wasn't on today's topic.
Mm.
I was just practicing Bootstrap. So for some reason, after I linked the HTML to Bootstrap on the rows and columns, when I refresh my page, it's just blank. I don't know for what I was doing wrong, but I've tried so many times.
Ebu, share your screen. We look at it.
So I just give me a minute.
Okay. Any other person with a question as Drusilla is doing that? And I'm in space in case you guys hear some background noise. It's because we are sharing a classroom. So that's why.
Hi, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, so yes, this is like the fifth time I think I'm doing this. I keep starting again, but
Okay, it's all
when
right.
I come here and I refresh, there's nothing. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Wait, we can only see the meeting. You, I
Oh, you
guess
can.
you've shared only one tab. So you
Um,
share what is it called? You share the whole screen.
okay, just okay. Then give me. Maybe you can go to someone else while I sort that out.
All right.
Uh,
Any other person with a question or a concern? Any other person with a question or a concern? I thought you guys would be having a lot of concerns at this point. Yeah, Jane, go ahead.
For me, I had the same concern with Drusilla, so I'm
Pardon?
waiting for her to present maybe a plan and get over the whatever I was not getting right. Because I've tried to redo again and again, but nothing is changing.
On the bootstrap.
Yeah, so I'm waiting for her to present, then we'll walk through
Okay.
that as you guide her.
All right, Peter, go ahead.
Okay, my concern is about Fuad.
It's
He
about.
had some Fuad. He had some problem in merging. He told me to help him, but I also had the same problem. Like the main branch and the GH Pages branch have different commits.
Okay.
We have tried it with him, but we have not been able with Alex again. So we could go as a class. You see, if it's
Oh,
possible.
all right, all right. Okay, Ebu, share your screen. Let me see something. Share your screen. Because I think for Ford, we have solved a little bit, but Peter, just share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, so the main has 25 commits, and then the GH pages has? It has 33 commits. Okay, so it's ahead with commits, right? Go to the pull requests. Let's see something. Pull requests. New pull request. Okay. So there's nothing to compare. So go back to, yeah, just do it like that. So merge them. No, enda juu. So title hapo, kwa title, like the title, yeah, say margin. Say create pull request. Okay, go down, merge pull request, confirm. You're all set, right? Go back to your code. Is that what you wanted? Is that okay? Peter, I think you're on mute.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes, hata nimeshangaa kumbe ni hiyo tu. The same problem was with Fuad. So the title part,
Yeah.
tulikuwa tunaweka tu the title part peke yake, kuandika hapo merging. Hiyo tu peke yake.
Yeah, because now if you do not provide the title, hapo hiyo button itakuwa grade. Like haitakupatia place ya kwenda. So you have to input the title. Sijali hata mimi nilipitia hapo. Like,
That was too easy.
yeah, it was really yeah, thank you so much for asking
Thanks.
the question. So the reason why right now the main is ahead with one commit is because of that merging commit that you have provided to it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right. So I think you can help Fuad and Alex and I think the rest have. Usi leave call. Just stop sharing. Stop sharing paleju. Yeah. Any other question or concern? Everyone is okay? Nani Drusilla was to share her screen. Or is it Drusilla or Jane who are sharing the screen on Bootstrap? Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Is it sharing now? I'm not sure. If you can.
Apparently it's not. We can only see the screen for meeting.
Okay, I am used to. I'm new to this computer, so I still don't know the settings. Could you help me out? Maybe
All
until
right.
you go.
Let me do this. I think Jane had the same problem. So if you
Yeah,
can solve Jane's problem, we can solve yours simultaneously. All
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Jane, share your screen. Jane J here. Anyone who can share their screen and they have been experiencing challenges in Bootstrap? Because I can see several of you. So can anyone just volunteer to share their screen so that we can handle this? I have like 19 minutes here. Then I leave you guys to be. Yeah, Teresa, go ahead.
It's not. I don't. I don't have a problem with Bootstrap. It's just a question concerning Bootstrap.
Mm-hmm.
There's no Jumbotron. In version 5, the one I downloaded. So I was wondering, do we have to install it? Or there's like a replacement we can use instead of Jumbotron?
So there's a reason why I want someone to share their screen, because now it will be very easy to showcase where all of you, like some of you are like have a problem, because mostly when it comes to Bootstrap, it's really not advisable to download it. It's best to input the link as a CDN.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
so that's why I was requesting if someone, or Ajedaida, where is Ajedaida?
Hi, Beatrice.
Hi, can you share your screen for me?
Specifically, I'm sharing which parts?
Just share the whole screen, like just share your whole the desktop. So go to VS Code. Have you done the work on what is it called, on Bootstrap?
Yes, I did, but I had problems with the installation. I think I had written it among the challenges that I faced.
Okay, go to the Bootstrap. Go to VS Code. Let me see. So where go to your index HTML.
Okay. I open another one.
Not just open the one that you've been working on, the Bootstrap that you've been working on. Okay. All right. So as you can see here, I think you've downloaded the Bootstrap.
Yes.
Go
But that is the
live.
part I'm having trouble with. The downloaded Bootstrap itself.
A book go live, we see how it looks like. So it has not styled anything, has it?
No.
Okay, go back to your project. Let's first check how your unaona hiyo side on the left whereby there is bootstrap.breed, bootstraps nini. Ebu enda juu. Okay.
Yeah, the first one.
Yeah, funga ako ka CSS. No, ka CSS kafunge tu. Okay. Unaona hapo kuna CSS ingine hapo, hiyo bootstrap whatever.
This one.
Ebu funga na click exactly. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Go back to your index.html. All right, you see in the link href,
This one.
yeah, so hapo kwa CSS kwa href, you've input CSS bootstrap. So to showcase, if somebody wanted to go to that link, they cannot get that link because remember, Ebu delete that one that you have input there. Okay, so do full stop dot slash. Okay, put that CSS and then bootstrap, that one bootstrap, and then CSS, and then what had you input before? Bootstrap CSS or something. Bootstrap.css. I think that's what you had input.
Yes.
Oh, Maureen is saying record. Okay. So where can we find it? Can you just search? Can you just put bootstrap.css? We see if it's going to come up. Yeah, that one. Okay, Ebu go live again. We see if it's going to work. All right. As you can see, there's something that I've moved, right?
Yes.
So in this bootstrap thing, what really matters is how you're going to style your thing, right? Because now the thing is, it was bypassing the CSS. Now it wasn't finding the exact path. So the path is very important when you're going to input the bootstrap over there. So let's go back to your project. So Chini, let's go to Google Chrome. Let's go to Google Chrome. Let's search for Bootstrap.
Here. Or here.
No. Apple kwa new tab.
Oh, new tab.
So Bootstrap. Go there. So say get started. Unaona hiyo CSS yenye kwa hapo? Copy it.
This one.
Yeah, click wako kwa kitu imeandika copy. Go back to your project. Chini ya hiyo link ya CSS. Just click paste. All right. Let's go back to let's go back now to your live. We see how it's looking. All right. So much has not changed because already sometimes Ebu go back and comment out go and comment out. Go and comment out hiyo ya juu. We see if the one that is below here, if it's working. Okay. You see it's still working,
Yeah.
right? So the
Yes.
thing is, sometimes you can just use the CDN. Actually, it's way lighter. Okay?
Instead of installing.
Yeah, instead of installing. So when you do the CDN, because you see now when you install, you have to know the path, like you have to know the path of this file so that you can
Okay.
input it appropriately. But now when it comes to the CDN, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I think that would be a very good solution to the ones who are struggling with Bootstrap, to just input the CDN rather than just inputting the styles, like the link, because now you have to follow the path. If you do not follow the path, there is no style that is going to be installed. And I can see your project, Ajidaida,
Yes.
teremka hadi chini. Yeah, I wanted to see whether you have installed another div, but I can see the only div that you had installed, it was just, what is it called? The container, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why it's only the container that was styled. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So as you do more practice, just put in mind such things. Bootstrap 5 does not have it at just facts. JS deliver doesn't have there. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So that's it. Any other question? Any other question on maybe the things that you guys have not found clear? Drusilla, go ahead. Drusilla.
Oh, sorry, my mic was off. Sorry. So I'm asking, when I put the link, because I also don't have Jumbotron. So if I use the link, I'll have access to Jumbotron, and I'll also be able to do
Just a minute, Pauline, just a minute.
I'm doing this thing for rows and columns and containers. So when I come to the page, I don't get this. Where is it? I don't get this.
Yeah, you don't get, because inside it's empty. So when you go to your div. Hapo katikati, hebu write like something like P. Just enter kwanza, enter. Like fanya tu enter. Then P, say P.
P.
Yeah, you click your juu. Then do something like say lorem. Say 5. No,
Oops, sorry.
toa hiyo. Just do Control Z ama Command Z. Just do Command Z.
Command Z.
Yeah. So
Lorem
maliza
5.
uweke 5. Shikanisha hiyo word. Shikanisha hizo word.
Lorem 5.
Hivyo. Sasa click. Okay. So go fanya tu the same kwa hiyo ingine.
Kwa hii div ingine.
Yeah.
P. Lorem 5. And then P. Lorem 5.
Yeah, go back and look.
This is what I get. This is what I get.
So that's a row. There's a row and also there's a column, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's go back to your thus then.
My?
That's the content.
Uh-huh.
So you wanted something that appears as such.
Yes, I thought that was what we were meant to accomplish.
Okay, all right. Enda pale juu.
Kwa content.
Kwa content tu kuna kitu nataka kuona. Hapo tu kwa lining teremshe hii in this lesson. The grid consists of two parts, blah, blah, blah. There's a container, there's a row. Nataka kuona if there's somewhere that you have missed something. So there's a div. The row must be placed inside a container, which is true. The rows act as wrappers for columns, and columns must be located inside a row. Okay, endelea.
Endelea.
Okay. Okay. Because the thing is, I can see, let's say, for example, I can see your work. It has a row like column MD, it's 1, 4, and 7. So it's 12, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so but now the work is coming as column. It would do 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4 everywhere.
Still same thing.
All right, still the same thing. Anyone who can guess what the problem is? Or anyone who has done this part? Because I think there is the width
Hello.
should be 4. Yeah, just what?
What on the linking, it tries to link, because I've seen there are like several styles.
Oh, a book go back actually to your links.
Here, I just copied the link from the Bootstrap website. Let me show you. Where is it? This one for CSS.
Okay, that is the one that you copied.
Yeah, unless I copied it wrongly, I don't know.
Yeah, because I'm wondering why it's not, because I can see there's columns and then there's containers. And also now the column empty. Teresia, go ahead.
Isn't she supposed to be having 2 links?
2 links.
2 divs.
2
No,
divs.
no. Links for one for and another one for Bootstrap. She doesn't have one for Bootstrap.
The one above there is for Bootstrap.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Anyone else who has a different answer? But I know it's something so small that we are missing. Very small. Ebu go live hapa chini.
Wapi chini?
Hii ya HTML hapa kwa VS Code. Click on go live. Okay, it's still the same thing. But initially there was nothing that was being seen because of because you had not input any content.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So do this. Input twice of P. Remove the P's.
Removed.
Just a little.
Okay.
You should try copying the link I've sent to see if
try
it
to
will work.
copy. Try to do what he's saying.
Where are my messages? Yeah. This one. This link.
The way he has just sent it, copy the whole of it like that.
Oh, all this.
There's someone who had raised a hand. Rachel. Was it Rachel?
Yeah, it's me.
Go ahead.
So I was thinking, because she has two links, yeah, Bootstrap na the local CSS, maybe the rules, the tags that are in Bootstrap, they're overriding the ones in the local CSS.
Oh, even I've not seen that. Ebu, she shares a screen. I thought she only had Bootstrap.
Maybe nimeona vitu mbili, but I think that might be the case.
Okay, just a minute.
Oh my God, my time is over. I have to jump into another meeting.